Yes, infinity has an earthly name. It's called the riverside, and eternity has an earthly face. I saw it for a while. Oh, my beloved waterfall, come and kiss me, my bride. If eternity has an earthly name, I'll spell it by your side, and infinity's warm embrace will take me for a ride. Oh, my beloved waterfall, come and kiss me, my bride. I can't believe that I could drop the mask, and for the very first time, for the first time in my life, dare to give myself at all. Dare to give myself at all. Dare to give myself at last, and entrust the waterfall to wash away things from the past. Forsake the land of the dull and dreary, to bathe in the light of inner discovery. Forsake the land of the dull and dreary, to bathe in the light of inner discovery.